Hey guys, it's your girl Sav and I'm back again with another video. Obviously I'm coming to you guys with this look, so I'm literally just showing you how I created this eye look. It's super duper easy, and even if you don't have the same products, you can still use whatever you have in your makeup collection and recreate the same look. So yeah, I've got you babes. So as usual, before anything, I always apply concealer to prep my eyes ready for the eyeshadow. So to start off, I'm going into my Morphe 350M palette and I'm applying this burnt orange shade. I'm putting it on the screen anyway, so it won't be too hard for you guys. And I apply this in my crease area and I blend it up into my transition area. Yeah, I don't know who I thought I was, but I was really feeling myself. Then I'm taking this blush from MAC Cosmetics and it's called Sketch. So yes, I really like this shade for the eyes as well. Even though it's a blush, I really like this shade. So as you can see, I'm literally just putting this in my crease area and I'm just packing on that colour and buffing it out. Now going into my BH Cosmetics Summer Lovin palette. This really came out last year. And I'm taking this pink shade, as you can see, and I'm blending out Sketch. And then I'm going back into Sketch and I'm just reapplying where I may have blended a bit too much out. And then I'm taking the orange shade that I did in the first instance to just buff everything out. Now I'm taking the P. Louise base in the colour number 2 to cut my crease, because you know I love a cut crease. If you don't know, now you know. And then to blend out that cut crease, in my outer third, I'm taking that pink shade from that BH Cosmetics Summer Lovin palette and I'm placing this in the areas that you can see now. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling myself where. Now I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette and I'm taking this white Ice Me Out shade. I'll put everything in the description bar below and I'm placing this on top of that P. Louise base. I don't want to get rid of the colour, but I still want a bit of shimmer, so I think this was the perfect palette to go for. Now I'm just lining my eyes, and this is my all-time fave Essence Cosmetics Liquid Ink Liner. I've used it for years and I haven't used anything else since. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. This look is so fire. Oh my gosh, like I'm so upset that I wasn't going anywhere that day. Like that look was too fire, you know what I mean? You know, the ones where you can't even go, otherwise every man's gonna holler you and ain't nobody got time for that. No, I'm joking. But yeah man, I was really feeling myself, as you can see. It was really quick and easy. I'm lying, it wasn't quick and easy, but this look will be quick and easy for you guys to recreate, as I only did the eyes, so you know, practice makes perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Remember, join the Savage Gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.